Hey everyone. So, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account step by step. This is the full guide for 2026, and yeah, you can follow this on mobile or desktop. It's super simple. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail sign up page. You can do this on a computer or your phone. It works the same way. Now enter your first name and last name. After that, choose a username. This will be your new Gmail address. Next, create a strong password and confirm it. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. Now, Google may ask for your phone number. This helps with account verification and recovery if you forget your password. You can also add a recovery email if you want. If you add a phone number, Google will send a verification code. Enter the code to continue. Next, review Google's privacy and terms. Scroll through the page, then accept to continue creating your account. And that's it. Your Gmail account is now created. You'll be taken directly to your inbox, where you can start sending and receiving emails. And yeah, that's how to create a Gmail account in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.